Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dewalt Weed Eater is probably one of the most convenient tools for lawn care. Battery-powered weed eaters offer freedom from cords and gas, making them ideal for quick touch-ups and larger yards. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Dewalt Weed Eater, exploring its features, performance, and ease of use. We'll cover everything you need to know to decide if this is the right tool for your lawn care needs, so stick around. Number 5. Dewalt 20V Max * String Trimmer Kit, DCST922P1. This string trimmer features a folding hinge, allowing it to fit into tight storage spaces. It's also reduced in length when folded, making it easy to transport. With a 14-inch swath, this trimmer provides a wide cutting area, helping you get the job done quickly. It's designed for efficiency. This trimmer is built for durability, capable of handling tough jobs, even in thick brush. You can rely on it to get the job done. You can choose between performance and runtime with the variable speed trigger. It gives you the flexibility to tackle different tasks. The quick load spool system allows you to wind new line fast. This feature saves you time and keeps you working efficiently. Control the power level with the high-low speed control switch. This allows you to manage the power based on the job's requirements. What we like. This trimmer features a folding hinge, making storage a breeze. It also has a 14-inch swath for efficient cutting. If you have limited storage space or need to transport your trimmer frequently, this is the perfect choice. Its compact design makes it easy to maneuver and store when not in use. What people say. Very light, easy to handle. Has the simplest string replacement system I have ever seen on a weed eater. This Dewalt Weed Eater trimmer is extremely powerful. It has enough power to cut tall grass and will provide enough battery to trim my 1-acre yard with trees and other objects. I highly recommend this over a gas trimmer. It's always ready and it just works. Number 4. Dewalt FLEXVOLT 60V Max * String Trimmer, DCST970X1. This string trimmer is designed with a gear drive that powers through the toughest overgrowth. It makes yard work easier. You'll be impressed with its performance. The high-efficiency brushless motor maximizes run time and motor life. This means you can work longer and the tool will last. It's a smart design for any user. The trimmer provides a 15-inch cutting swath with a 0.080-inch line. It also accepts a 0.095-inch line, giving you options. This feature ensures a clean and efficient cut. It features a variable speed trigger with high-low speed control. This gives you added power or extended run time. You can easily adjust it to fit your needs. The lightweight and ergonomic design maximizes control and minimizes stress on your arms. It's designed to withstand everyday heavy-duty usage. This makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The bunk feed head comes with one quick load spool of 0.08-inch dual line installed. It includes a 60V string trimmer, a 3.0 Ah battery, a charger, an auxiliary handle, and a pre-wound spool. It's ready to go right out of the box. What we like. This trimmer's gear drive design tackles tough overgrowth with ease. The brushless motor maximizes runtime and motor life. If you are looking for a powerful and long-lasting trimmer that can handle demanding tasks, this is the one for you. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use. What people say. The bunk feed worked flawlessly, the string was reasonably durable, plenty of power on the low setting. The battery lasted for the whole job. Enough power to cut down weeds up to waist high if the weeds are not too woody. Has variable control so that light weeds can be trimmed easily and effectively. This trimmer can trim from light flimsy weeds all the way to dense almost brush weeds. Number 3. Dewalt FLEXVOLT 60V Max * String Trimmer, DCST970B. This trimmer features a gear drive design, allowing it to power through even the most challenging overgrowth. It's built to handle tough jobs with ease, making yard work more efficient. The cordless grass trimmer provides a 15-inch cutting swath. It uses Dewalt's 0.080-inch line, but it also accepts 0.095-inch line for added versatility. Designed for comfort and control, this trimmer is lightweight and ergonomic. This design maximizes control during operation, reducing fatigue during extended use. The high-efficiency brushless motor maximizes both runtime and motor life. This means you can work longer and the tool will last longer, providing great value. With a variable speed trigger and high-low speed control, you can manage power and extend runtime. This feature allows you to adjust the tool's performance to suit the task at hand. This trimmer is designed for everyday heavy-duty usage. It's built to withstand the rigors of regular use, making it a reliable tool for any yard. The bunk feed head comes with one quick load spool of 0.08-inch dual line installed. This makes it easy to get started and keep working without interruption. What we like. This trimmer also features a gear drive design and a high-efficiency brushless motor. The lightweight design maximizes control during operation. If you prioritize ease of use and need a trimmer that's easy to maneuver, this is a great option. It's designed for everyday heavy-duty usage. What people say. I have put this through the paces and haven't been disappointed. I have taken out 1 diameter blackberries, yet turned the trimmer on edge and done some quality edging. The trigger is easy to control so that you can regulate the RPMs, hence the ability to do both deep weeds and also edge or work around delicates. Number 2. Dewalt DCST972X160V Cordless String Trimmer. Introducing the Dewalt 60V Cordless String Trimmer. This powerful tool comes with a battery and charger, ready to tackle your toughest yard work. It features Dewalt's universal attachment capability. This allows you to easily add other tools, making it a versatile addition to your collection. The trimmer offers a 15-inch or 17-inch adjustable swath. It uses a 0.080-inch dual line, but is also compatible with a 0.095-inch line. Respooling is quick and easy with the quick load spool design. This feature saves you time and keeps you working efficiently. Optimize power and runtime with the variable trigger and high-low speed control. This allows you to adjust the power to suit the task at hand. The high-performance brushless motor allows you to trim more in less time. It provides the power and efficiency you need to get the job done. What we like. This trimmer offers universal attachment capability, allowing you to expand its functionality. It also has an adjustable swath for flexible operation. If you like versatility and want a trimmer that can handle various tasks with different attachments, this is the ideal choice. It's designed to adapt to your needs. What people say. The large cutting diameter makes quick work of large weeds and overgrown weeds in the garden. Easy to assemble. Easy to refill the string. Number 1. Dewalt 20V Max Trimmer and Blower Kit. Introducing the Dewalt 20V Max Trimmer and Blower Kit. This kit includes everything you need to keep your yard looking its best. It's a convenient and efficient solution for your outdoor maintenance needs. The DCST922 folding string trimmer is designed for easy storage. It features a folding hinge that reduces its length by 40%. This makes it simple to store in tight spaces. This trimmer provides a 14-inch cutting swath. This allows you to cover more ground with each pass, making your trimming tasks quicker and easier. The DCBL722 handheld axial blower delivers powerful performance. It provides up to 450 cfm of air volume and up to 125 miles per hour with the concentrator nozzle. This blower helps you clear debris quickly and efficiently. This kit is compatible with the Dewalt 20V Max battery system. This means you can use the battery with other Dewalt 20V Max tools. It offers versatility and convenience for all your projects. The kit includes the DCBL722 handheld axial blower, a concentration nozzle, a DCB204 battery, a DCB115 charger, and the DCST922 folding string trimmer. It has everything you need to get started right away. What we like. This combo includes a folding string trimmer and a handheld axial blower, providing a complete yard care solution. It's compatible across the Dewalt 20V Max battery system. If you are looking for a convenient kit that includes both trimming and blowing capabilities, this is the perfect choice. It offers great value and versatility for your yard work needs. What people say. Cuts very quick and easy. Plus it's nice being able to use all of my Dewalt batteries interchangeable. Trimmer cuts very well with a long battery life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.